The Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber emerges as a whimsical tribute to childhood nostalgia, adorned with vibrant cartoon-inspired graphics that evoke a sense of playfulness and creativity. This custom motorcycle not only showcases meticulous craftsmanship but also celebrates the enduring appeal of retro design in the modern world of motorcycling. Originally introduced in the 1970s, the Yamaha XS650 earned a reputation for its robust performance and versatility, making it a popular choice among custom builders and enthusiasts seeking to create personalized rides. The Wild Bobber takes this legacy further by infusing it with a unique blend of artistic flair and mechanical ingenuity. At its core, the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber retains the XS650's reliable parallel twin engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and distinctive exhaust note. Customized with performance enhancements and bespoke components, the Bobber offers a dynamic riding experience that captivates both riders and onlookers alike. Visually, the Wild Bobber captivates with its unconventional design and eye-catching graphics. Inspired by beloved cartoons and animated characters, the custom paint scheme transforms the motorcycle into a rolling work of art, invoking a sense of nostalgia and whimsy reminiscent of childhood memories. The customization of the Yamaha XS650 Bobber extends beyond its aesthetics to include practical enhancements for comfort and performance. Upgraded suspension, custom handlebars, and a minimalist seat configuration not only enhance the Bobber's handling but also contribute to its distinctive silhouette and rider ergonomics. Inside the cockpit, the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber offers a harmonious blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. Retro-inspired instrumentation, bespoke controls, and premium leather upholstery create an immersive riding environment that combines nostalgia with contemporary convenience. Beyond its visual appeal and performance capabilities, the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber embodies a spirit of individuality and self-expression. Each customization decision reflects the owner's personality and passion for motorcycles, resulting in a unique and personalized machine that stands out in a crowd of mass-produced bikes. The craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber underscore the enduring appeal of custom motorcycles as personalized works of art. From its hand-painted graphics to its meticulously tuned engine, every aspect of the Bobber reflects a dedication to achieving excellence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle customization. As enthusiasts and collectors admire the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber, discussions within the motorcycle community focus on its impact on the custom bike scene. With its blend of artistic design and mechanical prowess, the Bobber serves as a testament to the creativity and passion of its builder, inspiring admiration and sparking conversations about the intersection of art and motorcycling. In conclusion, the Wild Yamaha XS650 Bobber keeps the childhood spirit alive with its cartoon-inspired graphics and nostalgic appeal. As a tribute to the Yamaha XS650's heritage and the timeless allure of custom motorcycles, the Bobber embodies the joy of riding and the freedom of self-expression on two wheels.